Remote work is convenient, but also a gold mine for cybercriminals. Here are the top 5 security risks and the best tools to stop them. Phishing remains a top threat for remote workers, with attackers tricking your team into clicking on malicious links. Want to know how to protect your business from phishing and email fraud? Let's break down 3 key email security protocols: DMARC, SPF, and DKIM. DMARC, Domain-Based Message Authentication, Reporting and Conformance, defines policies for handling emails that fail. SPF DKIM checks and sends reports to track phishing attempts. SPF, Sender Policy Framework, ensures only authorized servers can send emails from your domain. DKIM, Domain Keys Identified Mail, adds a digital signature to confirm the email's legitimacy and integrity. Public Wi-Fi networks are prime targets for cybercriminals, making your team's data vulnerable. Weak passwords are still one of the easiest ways hackers get in, and without multi-factor authentication, it's even easier. Allowing employees to use personal devices for work can introduce serious security risks, especially without proper oversight. Without proper data protection, sensitive information is at risk of being stolen, lost, or exposed. Cyber threats don't take a day off. Make sure your security doesn't either. Protect your remote workforce with the right tools and best practices. Stay ahead of cyber risks. Follow IntegSec for expert security tips.